Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Volkswagen Jetta. First, make sure your Jetta's ignition is on and the radio is powered up. Then, navigate to the phone menu on your infotainment system. From there, select the Bluetooth option to begin the pairing process. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Next, on your Jetta's screen, select Search for New Device or Add Device. Simultaneously, grab your mobile phone and ensure its Bluetooth is turned on. It's important to also set your phone to discoverable mode. This allows your Jetta to find your phone and initiate the connection. This step is crucial for successful pairing. Once your Jetta finds your phone, its name will appear on the car's display. Simply select your phone from the list. Both your Jetta and your phone will then show a pairing code. Verify that these codes match on both devices. This ensures you are connecting to the correct phone and maintains security. After confirming the pairing code, you'll need to finalize the connection on both your Jetta and your phone. You might be prompted to allow access to contacts and messages. Accept these for full functionality. Your phone is now successfully connected, ready for hands-free calls and seamless audio streaming. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.